Come out to me. Oh. Shots fired, shots fired.
The suspect then ran through the apartment complex and shot at another officer who was arriving at the scene. The suspect was armed with both a handgun and a rifle. He used the handgun to shoot at both officers and left the rifle in front of the van before fleeing. The suspect was located in a nearby apartment. The suspect continued to fire shots in the apartment as officers tried to negotiate with him.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Damn it.
Dagan, come on, man. You can do this. Come out peacefully. Hands up. Come on, Dagan. It's gonna be okay. Okay. It's gonna be okay, okay? Keep coming to me. Just keep coming, Dagan. Keep coming. It's alright. You're gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I promise, Dagan. I promise you. I promise you. It's gonna be okay. Dagan, you did the right thing. That's right. We just have to start at the right step, right?